Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove app data of Temu app. Here you can see I have already installed Temu app on my device, but in this app you won't be able to clear app data because Temu doesn't offer you any in-app option to clear the app data directly from this app. From the settings option, you can find any type of options that can clear the data for you. So let's see how we can clear the app data of Temu app. Get back to home screen from Temu app and hold this app icon. Here you can see app info option, click on it. Now from here click on storage uses and here you can see clear data. Just here the clear data, click on it to clear the data of Temu app. It will clear the additional data of this app, but the app size will remain in your storage, that is 76.90 MB. Now the data of Temu app is already removed from my storage. This is how we can remove app data of Temu app. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon for more informative video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.